Today I am reviewing the Brotherwork Smart Wireless Color Inkjet all-in-one printer. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're running a busy household or a dedicated home office, finding a printer that hits the perfect balance between reliability, speed, and ink efficiency can be a massive challenge. Many compact printers either drain your wallet with expensive ink cartridges or jam up the second you give them a multi-page project. Today, we are reviewing a machine built specifically to address those headaches. The Brotherwork Smart MFC-J1360DW Wireless Color Inkjet all-in-one printer. Engineered for effortless versatility, this sleek and compact unit combines high-quality color printing, scanning, and copying into a space-saving footprint that fits comfortably on any desk or shelving unit. Let's begin by discussing how this printer fundamentally respects your time and productivity, because for a home-focused machine, it features some remarkably high-end paper handling tools. At the top of the machine, you will find a 20-sheet single-sided automatic document feeder, also known as an ADF. If you have ever had to manually lift a scanner lid 20 separate times just to digitize a multi-page work contract, insurance forms, or school assignments, you know how tedious that process is. With this built-in feeder, you simply stack your documents, hit scan, and walk away while the machine processes everything automatically. Supporting this workflow is a fully enclosed 150-sheet lower paper tray. This high capacity means you are not constantly refilling the paper supply every few days, keeping your workspace neat while protecting your blank paper from collecting ambient dust or getting wrinkled. When it comes to actual print delivery, the MFC-J1360DW delivers impressive, crisp results at speeds that outclass many competitor models in this price bracket. It is engineered to output up to 16 pages per minute in sharp, rich black text, and up to 9 pages per minute when printing in full color. This means text documents read with professional, laser-like clarity, while color charts, graphics, and school projects come out with vibrant, true-to-life colors. To help cut your paper waste and printing expenses directly in half, the printer features built-in automatic duplex printing. This allows the system to seamlessly print on both sides of a sheet of paper without requiring you to manually take the pages out, flip them around, and guess which way they need to go back into the tray. Managing your print jobs is incredibly intuitive thanks to the clear 1.8-inch color display situated right on the front control panel. This display isn't just for checking your machine's general status. It features direct cloud application connections. Right from the integrated screen interface, you can easily log in, pull documents from, or send scans directly to your favorite popular cloud storage platforms, including Google Drive, Dropbox, Box, and OneDrive. This means you can scan an important piece of physical mail directly to your cloud storage without even needing to turn on your computer. For those who prefer to handle everything from their smartphones, the integration with the Brother Mobile Connect app completely revolutionizes the user experience. Available for both iOS and Android, this app offers beautiful, straightforward on-screen menu navigation that lets you print documents, initiate scans, or copy files directly from your mobile device over your local wireless network. The mobile app also introduces Brother's innovative page gauge feature. Instead of giving you a vague, inaccurate low ink warning that leaves you guessing how many pages you actually have left, Page Gauge provides a transparent visual estimate of your remaining ink volume based on your actual printing habits. This helps ensure you never run out of ink right in the middle of an important, late-night printing emergency. Finally, the printer utilizes Brother's efficient LC501 series ink cartridges, which are designed to offer highly competitive page yields and consistent color uniformity from the first print to the very last. It also connects flawlessly your way, offering rapid dual-band wireless networking for cord-free placement anywhere in your room, alongside a traditional high-speed USB interface for a direct, rock-solid physical computer hookup. In conclusion, the Brotherwork Smart MFC J1360DW is an outstanding investment for any home or small office workspace. By combining the time-saving luxury of an automatic document feeder and two-sided printing with advanced cloud apps and precise ink tracking, Brother has delivered a reliable, worry-free all-in-one printer that makes daily documentation an absolute breeze.